Gawas na. Marge is coming. Punta na siya at nga sa bus terminal. Nabili na akong EasyLink. Palpak. Together again. Gutom na ko. Pop up. Alipay! Pwede siya alipay.
Got fire! There's a fire inside, she said. So, don't put your face near it. Ano siya? This is free, so you take the rice. Alam mo, pag may pa-change ka na.
Yung mahal rin. Asa tap change? Dili na gyapon.
Rupee.
Ha? Where are we going? Where are we going?
To thank God for this day. Kanang naikuan na, wala ko pa ng scooter ba niya? Kuan siya. Na siya yung kuranan.
Scooter nga nailing. Wala po kayo scooter nga.
Scooter siya. Nga kanang scooter nga kanang ana-ana ay mutil ba? Pero kato siya, nasa yung kuranan. Init ka rin mind.
Today is Boninay's bridal shower.
Madam, open!
Sabi niya portrait, ayaw ko portrait eh.
Where are we going?
Plastic bag? No need.
We missed the last trip of the train.
To explore.
Among mga travelers kay wala ito. Ah. It's 1:16 in the morning. I'm hungry. I'm tired. I'm sleepy. We're gonna do hungry first. So we're looking for restaurants.
Mine is hot.
Time to fix the hunger.
This is yours.
I'm full. I'm okay. Hunger was cured. Now that sleepiness, the tiredness,
Got the pig syndrome.
how can that be cured? I don't know. We're still about 2.5 hours before boarding time. I'm tired. I wanna sleep. My feet hurt. Ooh, handsome man.
Do you know which gate?
That was an amazing rest. We napped a little bit. That was around 40 minutes of leg massage. It was so good.
Wala naman si Arnie.
It's boarding time.
Sure ka na si Arnie to?
Yes. Boarding time. We slept for an hour there at one of those benches. And energy. There's energy, which is, I hope it's not depleting. Let's go. Let's go. Boarding time is 4:30. It's 4:22. And we're inside the boarding gate. What?
Hotel picture kita mo. May CCTV1, may CCTV2, may
Picture time.
Dorby. Diba inyo nga kay ana-ana? Hindi lahat kay Arnie.
Para siya kuhan, design sa Zambonga. Bali. Here we go. Immigration is done. Customs declaration is done. We're outside.
Tomorrow,